Hello, my name is Bahmi Saudi. In this video, I will show you how to install Textpattern CMS on a local server in the Windows 10. As a little introduction to Textpattern, we can say that Textpattern is a CMS like WordPress. It's a lightweight CMS created at about the same time as WordPress. It's more focused on simplifying the development process and provide the best functionalities to handle a website. If you want to have more information about it, I advise you to go to the website textpattern.com. There you can find documentation about all the CMS. You can find there the installation, text-based tutorial on how to install the CMS Textpattern. You can also go to the forum, which is the main place of the Textpattern community. You can register there and ask a question. There's a lot of friendly people there that will answer your questions, and then don't hesitate to ask. Then come back to the home page. Okay, for installing the CMS Textpattern on a local computer, we need a local server application. Under Windows this I will use Wampserver. You can make search here on Google or any search engine. You can go to sourceforge.net and download the application here. It's a Windows application. Then download it and install it as any other application. After installation, just run it. When it runs, you will have an alert windows. Then just say OK and the application will run. Okay, we need to create a database there. For that, we will go here, click on the icon. Don't forget the icon should be green. If the icon is not green there, then the servers has not run correctly. Click on the icon, go to phpMyAdmin here. Okay, login. A bit generally there is no password for the root, but in my case I have one because I changed it. Say OK. We'll create a database, then click on new, give it a name. In my case I choose TXP48. You can create DB just like this, but I usually change this to UTF, Unicode CE. Okay, the DB is here. The user for the database is root, the main user. You can create other user if you want, but it's not included in this video. Okay, then we need to download the Textpattern CMS. Click on download. I choose the zip package because under Windows this it's more easy to use. Okay, download. Then we go to the download page. Okay, until it finish. Okay, then I say I copy this file. I will go to www directory. You will find it here. Always on the icon. Click. You will find it here. I will open Explorer here. Paste the file Textpattern, zip, unzip it, and it creates a directory. Okay, the files are all here. It's all right. It's okay then. I come back to the browser. No, not the browser. I need to launch localhost. You can either click localhost here to open it, or type localhost on the browser address and go to Textpattern here, the directory created before. Don't bother with those, are only warnings about PHP. Click on Textpattern setup, submit here. Here you can create the root, the username of the database. If you have password as me, you put the password here, localhost, and the DB. Oh, you should type it. It will be blank before that. Okay, next. Then it connected here correctly. You can either copy paste the code here in a text editor and create a config file, or you can download it like here. You download it, then go to download. It is here, copy and pass into www textpattern into the textpattern directory, inside textpattern directory. Okay, come back to the browser, we say I did it. Here we will create the admin account, the main admin account. We call it admin if I want. Choose any name you want to, put an email, or here we go real answer local server. It's not bothered to create a real email. Choose login name, or choose admin also. Password, choose any password you want. Okay, don't touch anything here, all is okay. Next. All right, we have created. The installation process is finished. Then I will go to login here, admin, put the password here. Remember if you want, say login, and we are at the back end of the CMS Textpattern. If you want to see the website, click this link and you will see that the website is up and running. Okay, this finish our video here. I hope you understand clearly how the process of installation is working. I hope I will make some other video for more detailed information about the installation on Wampserver, and some information about Textpattern itself, generally. Thank you for watching. Then bye bye.